We've been living here in Balat, our neighborhood in Fatih, Istanbul, for about a month. Today we're going to show you what to do if you only had one day in Balat. And we're going to fit in as much as possible and show you around our neighborhood. Really nice is they give you a whole pot of tea because it's a great way to get your day started. Balat we found is one of the best places to shop in all of Istanbul. We saved our big shopping day for today so that we could do it for the video. Definitely try to find some time during your day, maybe after you're done shopping, to come down by the water. It's really nice down here, so that's what we're doing right now. I can't guarantee this if you come here, but every time we do, we get so many things on the house.
The Turkish tea is really good, but the apple tea at the New Balat Cafe is by far my favorite.